Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can find the key card to access the power plant hidden room. So go to the police station and go to the first room. You're going to go up and you're going to kind of jump. You'll have to jump to the vents here. I don't know how I'm supposed to do this. Maybe I'm supposed to take it off first. Can I go this way? Okay, I guess okay, sorry, wrong vent. Well, I guess you can use the other vent, but I couldn't jump on it. So you're just going to find, why am I outside? There's this hidden room. I'm not able, where is it? Hold on. It's not on the other side of the vent. Oh, here it is, to the right, I think. Hello, where am I? Oh, okay, here I am. Sorry, it's very hidden. You just go to the right, I guess. Then you're going to kind of place your camera here, and then you'll be able to see this card. If you're stuck here, I guess you can go back to your house. Let's just press go. There we go. And then you're going to go back to the nuclear power plant area. Let me just get a motorbike so it's going to be faster. First, you're going to go in the power plant area, and then you are going to open up this hidden room here. Oops. Okay. You can close it if you'd like to. Okay, whatever. I'm not going to close it. Then you're going to do the sleeping bag glitch on this area. So you're going to make sure the sleeping bag is facing the other way. So the pillow is here, right? But you're going to want to face it so it's facing that way. I've been trying to do this, so I'll be right back because it's going to take me a while to do the... Oh, here it is. Okay, so kind of face this way. And then you're going to sleep like this, and you're going to jump out. Just grab the sleeping bag again. And you're going to do the same thing on this area here. There's a light. So grab your sleeping bag and do that again. I don't remember how I did it, like this maybe. Okay, there we go. Cool. Oh, so I didn't actually have to do that. And then I guess we just go down. And then there's this area. You need the key card. And voila, you're in the secret room. Cool. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.